Have you ever thought to yourself, you know, I'm really great at certain areas of my life, but when it comes to love life, I tend to find this area very challenging for me. I want to be able to be in an everlasting relationship with someone and how to be able to really improve this. I can say this for myself because till this day, I can still get caught up in my mind and struggle in my area when it comes to relationships and my love life. I definitely progress in this area, and I have this desire to really help hardworking individuals, entrepreneurs, business owners, just productive people, for the single ones and also who are in a relationship and want to take it to the next level and really improve it and make it more passionate. This video is for you. I'm gonna go over how to make your relationship better and stronger. If you're excited, let's get it and like this video. So hello friends, thank you for joining me today. If you're new, my name is Natalie, and in this series of Love and Money, Can You Have Both? You are going to learn business strategies and tools in order to help you not only take your business or your career and profession lives to the next level, but also improve your love life, having that to be prosperous, harmonious, adventurous, while also living in absolute freedom. I can go up to my boyfriend and talk to him about what I'm feeling, my demons, about where I lacked before, what I'm not proud of, situations that is really hard for the other person to express because of shame or guilt. There are things that I'm not proud of that I've done in the relationship. He created a space for me where I can go to him and just be completely honest with him, and honesty is like a huge part in making this relationship work so much, especially if you're a hardworking individual making your dreams happen in your business, which is amazing. But you gotta also be honest. Just like you're honest with your clients and your customers, you also gotta be honest with yourself, and you gotta be honest with your partner. Ego can get in the way, fear can get in the way. It's like, what if they judge me? What if they break up with me? What if they do all these things? That's how you create trust. Just be open and vulnerable and just share some things that you're not proud of, and you want to be honest about something, but you're being honest not to put the other person down. Honesty in a way that you're taking full responsibility for things. I don't mean honest like, hey, I think you look ugly. That formula is going to result in just an okay relationship and a boring relationship. If you want to put down your partner, I don't agree with that, and therefore that's going to result also into breaking up or divorce. So instead of going that route, what I mean by honesty is just you taking responsibility of your faults and just being human, that we all make mistakes. If there's something that you don't like about them, there's ways to communicate that they're not feeling put down to make you feel better. Let's say that you are the type of person that love social life and you love to dance, and you're out with your partner and he or she are more of an introvert and they just want to be in the corner and not talk to anybody ever. So how you can communicate it with them, you can just be like, hey, you know, first of all, I want to say thank you so much for coming to this event with all the people that I love, with all the friends, and I know it must have been really hard for you throughout the whole time that we were there. So I want to just thank you for supporting me in that way, for coming. You know, there was just something that really threw me off, and I chose to feel this way, is that, you know, you just really didn't talk to anybody at all, which I totally get. You just much rather be at home, watch a movie. You know, I chose to feel a certain way when you just didn't acknowledge anybody. I'm not saying you have to be the social party animal, but it would have been nice just a little bit just to talk to someone, or just come join me with my friends and just have a good time. I'm not expecting much of you. I want you to do what you're comfortable with, but at the same time, it's like kind of threw me off a little bit, and maybe something I gotta work on to not feel so down or choose to feel a certain type of way about it. But mainly just wanted to share this with you so I can get it off of my chest. You decide what you think it's best to do with this, but I just personally just wanted to share this with you. Things like that is just like being honest, having communication going on, and not stuffing things down under the mat thinking that it's gonna get better from there. It's not. It's always good to just being open, being vulnerable, take responsibility in your part as well, and then go from there. It's so heavily important. Another one too that I am so incredibly big on is speaking life over your partner. When it comes to communication, you want to speak life over them. I know for the longest time, my boyfriend, he was challenged to be money oriented a lot, and he wanted to be the provider. He wanted to make a lot of money than ever before. This man is so capable of making 20 to 40 to 60, even more than that, 6 figures, 7 figures a month, and that was not him before. And also, one of the things that helped us and him with this is that I spoke life over him. I tell him, you are a phenomenal, capable, successful businessman. And when I was doing all of this, he started to increase his income because I was speaking life over him. I wasn't like, why aren't you making enough money? You gotta make this amount. What is wrong with you? That doesn't help anybody. Words are so powerful. Like, I am so big when it comes to words, and I am very aware of what comes out of my mouth. And speak about the goals that they want to achieve. You're their partner for a reason. You're not there to just put them down, because what's the point of a marriage at that point? Or what's the point of a relationship or being with someone at that point? So you want to speak directly onto what they need to hear so they can improve in a particular area that they want to improve in. 93% of all communication is nonverbal, so it's not what you say, it's how you're saying it and also how you're coming across. One of the things that also helps our relationships be passionate and hot and a lot of intimacy is because we present each other desirable for one another. When I used to live with my boyfriend for 3 years, we take each other for granted. We forget to do these things. And I remember I would put my hair up in a bun and wear sweatpants and just forget to look hot for him. So it's so important for men and women to look so desirable and pleasing to the eye for our partner, not only just for ourselves, because that's where our confidence comes from when we put ourselves together, not just in business, because I feel like in business, we make each other very well put together and presentable, but we don't do that for our partner. So it's like the same thing. You don't want to be a hypocrite. You want to make yourself so desirable for your partner, because self-image is so important. It's not only great for ourselves, but it's also great in our relationship. I love it when my boyfriend gets a fresh haircut. Are you kidding me? I love that. And those muscles, when he puts suits on, like, I can't keep my hands off of him because I sincerely do find him very, very, very attractive. Obviously, that's very important because he puts himself together very well. And I remember to do these things because yes, it's good for me, because I love it. I love presenting myself very well and also making myself very desirable in front of him, because that's part of a communication and saying, hey, I'm hot for you. This is who you've chosen. It just brings a lot of intimacy, trust, vulnerability when you make yourself desirable for your partner. Thank you for watching this video, friend. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment below, share your takeaways with me in the comments, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful. Make sure you share this video with friends and family, and also I want you to watch this video next right here, because in this video I'm going to be talking about the untold truth about love life and career. So if you're excited about it, make sure you click on this video, and I'll see you there. You have a wonderful day.